how to install my 67 Designs phone mount. Hey everyone, I'm Tammy, aka Jeep Momma, and today I'm going to install my newly purchased 67 Designed phone mount for my Jeep. And this is not sponsored. I purchased this with my own money. And today I'm going to show you how simple and easy this is. I have 3 pieces here. I have the ball mount, the arm, and the adjustable holder. The only tool you need is a 7mm socket. So step 1, remove your ducts. And then you remove the little rubber dash holder. Inside is the 7mm bolt. So the first step is to take this out. And you got to be careful with your ratchet so you don't hit the windshield. The Jeep's windshields are at a different angle than most other windshields. So this is the bolt that's inside. So you take that out. We'll put this aside. The next step, you're going to want to clean the inside because this ball mount comes with a 3M tape that you're going to use along with the screw to secure it to your dash. And it's kind of dirty and dusty in there, so you're going to make sure you get it really clean. Once you have the dash clean, we're going to remove the tape, the 3M tape that they have on the bottom. And I would be careful not to touch it because you don't want to get dirt in there. And then this will attach to the side. And make sure you don't get any of your long hair in there. So I'm going to put my glasses on so I can see. You're going to want to line it up with your 7mm bolt. And then push down. And then we'll tighten the bolt. And again, be careful of your windshield, your glass. And just hand tight is good. And then, just make sure you push down to secure the tape. Then you're going to want to take your arm and your adjustable holder and you just loosen these screws and the ball fits in. And to pull it out a little far. And then you can tighten it. But first I'm going to do this one. And you can rotate it this way and up and down. So once it's secure, then you can put this adjustable one on. And then you can see here how it pulls out to fit your phone. And then you can adjust, see how you can turn it. You can adjust how high you want it, how low you want it. Voila! Jeep Momma's new phone mount from 67 Designs. Link is in the description below. And they make the mounts for all sorts of vehicles. And it's made in the USA. For more Jeep Life with Jeep Momma, head over to my blog at jeepmomma.com.